and diamond blinds created by me with string crystals. I attached them to a curtain rod that was 96 inches long. I can do many things with them. I can tie them in certain places, or I can just let them hang free. And as you can see, they are alternating with silver, clear, and larger and smaller clear crystals. Yes.
Be yourself, and the rest of the world will dance along with you. Progressive is a proud sponsor of Disney Junior.
Don't they look beautiful and sparkly? Not too much sparkle. You can still see my denim artwork behind it. And the crystals, they are alternating with different colors in different sizes, just to give it a little contrast. I ordered about 4.99 feet of the clear crystal beads on strings, and I attached them to a curtain rod that I measured at 96 inches. And I applied them with E6000 glue and hot glue for an instant bond. The E6000 gives it a more permanent bond, which will make it last a long time. And this is what the finished look like. They came out great. They add just a little bit of sparkle to the room, but not too much. And they really bring out those denim curtains. Let's try to get a little bit closer. There's 2 panels on each side. And then the crystals start. And this is a long wall. See, my whole wall is pretty much crystal. I think it really came out. It really adds to the room. It gives it some flavor. And then I have my denim pillows that I made in one of my previous videos. If you want to see how those were made, you can go back and check one of my previous videos. These are some blue polka dot pillows that I made. They're not denim, but I think that they went really well with the denim. And I made them about a year ago, so I just pulled them out of the closet because they fit in perfectly with the color scheme. And this is the Denim and Louis pillow that I made. And then I added studs to my denim rug. And here is my table and my denim napkin holder. As I've added a little bit more detail since my first video, I went ahead and added some silver studs on the rug just to give it a little bit more pizzazz and make it stand out just a little bit more. So, what do you guys think? Would you guys ever put crystal blinds in your house? Is it too much? Look at those crystals sparkle. Yeah.